Welcome to Fairfield Garden. Today we're going to make a bucket composter. The buckets are supplied by a friend of ours who has a restaurant. The only cost I have is just a few dollars to buy the lid. We're gonna drill a hole at the bottom of one of the buckets and then on the rims for ventilation, and then place the drilled bucket on top of the other one and ready to accept kitchen scraps and other ground materials for composting. All right, let's start drilling. Okay, now we have the bottom of the bucket drilled with some holes. So liquid from the composting process can drip into the bottom bucket, and then also the side of the bucket on the rim side have holes drilled for ventilation. Now that the buckets are ready, we're gonna start using them. Kitchen scraps, which is usually green material, can use paper as long as they don't have shiny mineral base. Oiled for printed papers are okay too. Wood chips, shredded leaves and wood chips for ground material. I'll link below what the proper ratio for brown versus green materials are. Generally for home use, a 1-to-1 ratio is perfect. And if you sometimes have a little bit more green or a little bit brown, it's okay too. There's no need to be exact and getting stressed out about it. First off, we're putting the heavier twigs, working them down as small as possible so that way they'll be a little bit easier to use. Also, this way gives it plenty of room for liquids to flow through when I put it at the bottom. And I have water here just to keep things a little bit moist so they will break down a little bit faster. Another second layer is green, so just alternate between brown and green. Build up the compost bin. This is a add as you go type of compost bin. So the 1-to-1 ratio, again, it's pretty good. Lay down that paper or the brown material. And I can hear water draining through the hose already. After adding greens, I like to have a layer of brown on the top, just so there's less chance of smell. And then, as I have kitchen scraps, I'll continue to add it, and every other days or so, come out and give it a little stir to mix things up a little bit. So the material I have is barely filling, not even half of the 5-gallon bucket, and that's perfect because I am going to add as I go. And for the time being, I'll put the lid on and let it sit. Both of the buckets have solid lids with no holes on them. That way I can leave them outside and not worry about the rain getting them wet.
Thank you for watching How to Make a Bucket Composter from Fairfield Garden. God bless. Bye.